People, bless, you don't know. Red Shot BlackStar, once more time again. You stepping at the Red Shot BlackStar kitchen again. Stepping at my kitchen, it's always nice. I want to say thanks again. I love to give thanks to the people that were supporting Iman. So I want to give thanks to them people there. And even the people that have the negative things to say. You don't know. God bless. See? Anyway, we're going to move on. Today, I want to create a thing called the Ital Jammie. Ital Jammie is a food with enough nutrients in it and enough vital. Ital Jammie is my Ital Jammie. Today, no chicken. Well, I'm gonna deal with chicken, so no fish. Okay? No dead, nothing. I will when I go see live. Once more time, check out the seasoning again. So today, there's going to be some pumpkin in there. We're going to start it out with some lentils first. We're going to bubble some lentils. So first thing I'm going into this pot here is going to be the lentils. Then I'm going to deal with the pumpkin, cut it up, skin it, cut it up, throw it in there. And again, I have the fish tea again today. Yeah, fish tea, I love it. Then I still have my scallions and my thyme. And my original cilantro. I have my cilantro, and I have also a little bit of, I have the rosemary. I will pull it out for you to see. I got my seasoning, and still got then done. I still got my magic seasoning, yeah. So y'all see. Got my magic seasoning, I got all of that. And today I got some cornmeal. I'm going to be putting this in some dumplings. So, yes people, stay tuned with me. Then you're going to see Red step into Red kitchen and see the way Red just move up in our place. You see? So let's start people. First of all, I'm going to wash my hands. Very important to wash the hands, you know? That's an important thing. Very important to wash the hand, okay? See, you're touching all type of stuff and have to have clean hands. So you wash the hands across around the wrist area. Okay? Fingers and all. Well washed, well done. Huh. Get some napkin quick fast. Bam. Yes people, so you know today y'all will get the Ital Jammie and we're gonna start with this first. We're going to get some flour. Boom. Got some flour right here. And put that in here. 1 minute, people. I forget to rinse out my... Alright. There we go. I'm trying to not to let the water run. The last time I forgot. And I had the water running and I wasn't paying no attention of that I had the water running. So today I'm going to try my best to pay attention. So I had flour in here and this is my cornmeal. I'm going to put also in here. And I'm going to put a little bit of cornmeal. About a half a teacup. And not even all that much, less than a half of a teacup. Alright? Right. Now, as you could see, show them in there. Look in there. This I'm gonna make my dumplings in there. So you see? That's how I do it. Alright? Then I got water in there. I put salt, sea salt in there already. So I throw that in there. And I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to mix that up. Alright, mix that up. Yes, people, this is Iman Red. This is Red in the kitchen. Step in a Red's kitchen. And this is how we do everything from scratch. We love to do things from scratch. So I'm gonna, this flour right here, I'm gonna knead that flour and I'm gonna make like a dough with it. And this is gonna be for my dumplings. So once more time, people, see what's happening in here? Look, you see what's happening in here as I mix it around? The cornmeal and the flour is just perfect mix. So this here, put a little bit more flour in there because it's getting to where I want. Oh, and I forget, a little bit of brown sugar. Let me get a little bit of brown sugar right there. 1 minute, I got y'all people. 1 minute. Why? Because I just remember, most people don't do it, but I does. A little bit of sugar in my dumplings. My children love it, and my wife loves it too. She says she loves it. So if I don't put it in there, she gets mad. She gets upset and say, why I didn't put no sugar in her dumplings. So it's not a lot, but it's a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of more flour in here. And y'all can have a look to see what's taking place in here. See? That's how we do. So you see, I did that from scratch. All that is from scratch. And this is the thing. When you have, my mom taught me a lot. My mother, she taught me a lot. She taught me how to cook. She said, son, in case one day you grow up and your wife, you find a woman that cannot cook or do these things, you could do it for yourself. So it was a good thing for me having a mother to teach me how to cook. Why? Because a lot of people today, they cannot cook. Or if they cook, what they make is like macaroni, and these are the things that they could really try to do. They cannot really go down to the nitty-gritty and start to wrap up a flour, mix up a flour to get a nice dough. You alright? Now, come and show them again. See what's taking place here? As I knit this stuff here, you see what from nothing becomes something. From nothing becomes something. This is how we do, people. So I am knitting this flour here, and in no time, it will be good to go. And it's just cornmeal and flour and some sea salt and a pinch some sugar, not much, just to flavorize my dumpling when you are eating it. When you are eating it. So this is how we do what we do when we do the things that we do. This is how it comes out. So as you see, people, it's not too hard. Just a little bit of flour so to put it, because you want it to just fall in place right. This flour that I put here will help it to pull itself together and look more original in the sense where to be done. You could tell. Come take a look again, people. You just keep, see? Look at it. See? You just keep rolling that until when you know it's gonna be maybe it's almost done. It's almost here. Flour is knitted well, proper. You don't have a problem with that. See? So hold on, let me clean my hands and I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're done with this. Look here. Look here, people. See here? See how we do this. This is how we do this. See? This is how we do this. Simple, people. See there, people? Done. See there? Good to go. You know what? Nothing. So I put that in here. I move this here. I go over here. Wash my hands again. This story is over. We're moving to the next thing. This is how we do. When you step in my kitchen, in our red kitchen, everything. What you don't know, prepare yourself to be willing to learn. Can you learn things every day? I keep saying it all the while. If you don't know, now you know. You learn things every day. And how much are you willing and how much do you want to learn? Okay. Okay, so this is done. This is done. Okay. I try not to let the water run, people. And I will excuse myself about the last time. Again, I wasn't paying attention. And I had the water running. So now, we're going to cut down some, no, first of all, I'm going to get this pot and rinse it out. I'm going to rinse this 2 pot out. Rinse the 2 pot out. Put this back. Alright. Rinse this back out too. Right. I rinsed in 2 pot. Today I'm gonna make 2 pot. Where's my lentils? Where's my lentils? Today we're gonna do the lentils. This is the lentils. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do 2 pot. Bam. Cut one first. Throw some lentils in here. And throw a little bit in here. And then I'm going to take some from here and put in here. Yeah. Yeah. 2 of them. 2 pot of lentils. Rinse that one there first. Gotta always wash your peas, you know? Because sometimes they have pebbles, they have little stones, they got stuff in there, and you don't know. People have died by not cleaning and washing their peas and the rice and the other stuff that comes in bag. It's very important that you wash these things because you never know what's in the bag. And sometimes it could be a penny. We know penny made out of copper, and that could poison you. So majority of the time that the quick fast thing is no good. To be safe is to wash everything. So this is my first step. Bam, go up on the stove. Remember, I tell you, I'm making this Ital Jammie. This one, you never see it nowhere. You never taste it nowhere. It's the first place you will see it. And you're going to see it first in Red's kitchen. Nowhere else, but first you're going to see it in Red's kitchen. That's where you're going to see it. You can't see it nowhere else. Nobody don't have that style. Nobody don't have that, you know, that style is well versatile. So, you know, dynamic. They don't have that. So remember the name of the pot, Ital Jammie. See that? And when you eat my food, trust me, you have the ability to sustain for days if you don't eat. Yo, Rasta man, fire. Every time I come to use my stove, it always gives me some type of problem. I don't really know what's going on, people. But I man, I go with him. Did I not? No. Alright, see that? Yes, sir. So, sometimes when something is not working, you just make a substitute. It's supposed to come on, and it don't want to come on. Okay, 2-part cover. Bam, bam. Rinse off the 2-part cover, yeah? We rinse everything, you know? Cover this one. Bada. Cover this one. Bam. So, as you see, I got lentils. 2-part. Lentils in 2 different, in 2-part. Bubbling up. Now we move into the next thing, which is the provisions then. See? I have a piece of potato here, sweet potato. I have a piece of white yam here. I have some pumpkin here. I'm going to use a piece of pumpkin. Okay? Right? I have some plantain here. I'll put that in. I have some red onion. I'm going to put that in. And some green pepper. I'm going to put that in. And the dumplings that I make, don't forget. And the dumplings. I'm going to put that in. And I have little fish tea. I'm going to put that in. And I have one to Irish potato. I'm going to put that in. And I'm going to put little noodles. I'm going to put that in. So, y'all never see this one. And I have one more thing I can throw in there. I can throw some spinach in there. So when that bubble up and get ready, people is a surprise. Out of nothing, make something. Out of nothing, something coming. This is my coconut cream. I will also be putting that in there and I'll put that right away. So see there? Sometimes I use the one in the can. And sometimes I use the coconut itself. But right now, I'm just come in. Now I have no time to go break no coconut and grate no coconut and squeeze no juice from no coconut right now. So that is my quickest way right now to deal with this pot, to deal with this. So I'm going to just cut a piece, boom, and cut the next piece, boom. See there? No big deal. See there? One piece in the back pot there, bada. One next piece in the pot there. Bam. Yeah. Deliver the little piece in the one there. Bam. Yeah. So these are the first 2 things. You can't put salt on peas. Peas is cooking. You don't put salt because the peas will take a long time to cook and it's going to take a long time to bust. So you don't put peas. So right now, I got this and that and I'm moving to the next thing. And the next best thing right now is I'm going to deal with these things right now. So I got this, I got that. So my next thing here is wash this, get this out of the way. Alright. Yes, man. So I give thanks to all my supporters then. I want to just watch it, my red, step in a red kitchen. And I'm going to see, you're going to see a whole bunch of different other stuff. I already deal with things in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Alright. So, we're going to take a piece of pumpkin because we don't want to take out too much. Just a little piece. See? You don't want to take out too much. Little nice piece. Maybe we might take out another piece out of that still. See? Alright. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes you see all the seed for the pumpkin. You could roast them sometime. Take them out and put them on one side to juice. Right now today, me not in that. You just want to take it out. See there? So, start peel out some pumpkin here now. And people say, oh, you can cook it with the skin. It's true. But tonight, the knife dead. I don't want to cook nothing with no skin tonight. The knife dead to us. Knife dead, yes. Yeah, you could boil the pumpkin with the skin, but through the Ital Jammie with me I do. And this pumpkin, I bought this pumpkin at the Korean, so most time if I get the pumpkin from the people who come from out of state, from the natural pumpkin, well I know I could just wash that and but this pumpkin was at the Korean, so I'm not too sure about in skin and what they on in skin, so better I just take out in skin. You see there? One is organic pumpkin, I know exactly what's in there. So it's not a problem. It's not a problem because I know. But when I don't know, it's a problem. So yes, as you see, this is just one piece. I have a next piece there I'm going to peel. And pumpkin is really good. Pumpkin is excellent. Pumpkin have enough vital in it, you know. Pumpkin help to build the structure. And if a sick person can't eat, you could boil pumpkin with the skin and just give him little pumpkin and little golden ray butter. You know, pumpkin excellent. That's why I choose to make the Ital Jammie with the pumpkin. And why? Because you're gonna see it's a food that don't contain no meat, but it's rich and it's very filling when you eat that. So people wants to know, well, I don't understand you eating this and you eating that, but how comes you need to eat meat? My food that I cook alone, certain food that I combine together, I get everything in there. You see, so since I know how to combine my food, certain food and food will give me iron and, you know, certain vital for my body and certain energy. I know how to put them together. So that's what I am doing. See? So I may not eat like a hog or eat like it's the last day on earth. But when I do eat, what I eat, it has all the nutrients that I need, my body needs. Because I make sure I make different things and hold up to different things that will be able to obtain these things I man. You see? So this is the difference. This is the difference between I and a lot of other people. So when you hear them talking when they want to talk, I let them talk. Because if you want to get up and eat, do your lifestyle, this is the way you want to deal with your lifestyle. You don't want to feed the temple properly. You don't want to nurture the temple. You want to eat everything fast. You want to take everything in your style and come critics eye man about what I am doing. That is your business. You see there? I eat a piece of fish. I cook my fish and taste a little piece. And someone get mad and say they are disappointed in me. I don't see nothing wrong with that. There are people that eat worse things in life more than a little piece of fish. And they accept these people. So what me cook up some fish for my family, I want to see the ingredients go down to the fish. I taste it. What's wrong with that? I owe an explanation to the world about that. Well, I mean, I understand people, you know. One man says he sees something in my mouth and I'm smoking in front of my children. And he don't see no smoke. These people are quick to condemn people. Quick to throw you behind bars. Ah, boy. Well, again, people, I love you, you know, because you don't get time to watch my show. So, give thanks. But don't have to ease off with the critics thing. Don't criticize people too fast. You know, this your time. Yeah. See? So, I just deal with a potato, a sweet potato. Done with that. Now, them food there, it will give you certain energy and certain vital. See there? And we're not done. I had some cocoa. You done there. I did have some cocoa. Let's see if I can find the cocoa then. I did have some cocoa and some other stuff. I got some cocoa. Wow. You know, sometimes you buy things at the supermarket, but they never really pack out the things in. They will give you half of your grocery and have you looking around. Anyway, they didn't give me I'm missing some stuff here that I guess I gotta go to the supermarket. Yeah. I guess I gotta go to the supermarket. So, well, I bought some like Tanya. I bought some Tanya and some cocoa and a piece of cassava. But they don't give me that. So I gotta go back with my receipt tomorrow and collect that. Yeah, so this is some what kind of potato this? Potato. Chris. I don't even know where that one they come from. But this one, give me a chance, I can look. But it's Irish potato. So I'm gonna put 1, 2 of it in there. You know? To just bring certain flavors out. See? Yep, step in a red kitchen. I saw Red do it, you know. Have different style. See? My food, make man have baby like, you don't stop have baby, man. This Ital Jammie, when you name that stick by your bone, that give you strength. If you eat this in the morning, trust me, you don't want to eat when 12 o'clock come. Belly still hard, same way. You don't want to eat when 12 o'clock come. Belly hard, same way. So people, I tell you, my food have no vital in it, man. This is a fast thing. See? It put enough good energy in my thing when I do my thing. So I don't know how my thing set. My thing always set Panta. Always Panta. Always Panta, my thing set. Always Panta. Yes, sir. So you see me have this 1, 2 potato. And me have 2 couple plantain. Yeah, man. So everything set, man. Everything in our one. We don't waste time when we do things. We work it to the max. We don't waste no for my time when we work with things. No for my time. No for my time when you do things. No for my time. You there? Not take so long. See the people? Bubble it a bubble. See there? Bubble. Next one I start bubbling, but this one, see the coconut cream done melt out of it. I show you how people do. How we do them thing there. We don't waste time on them thing there. We show you how we do them thing there. Quick fast, nice. You don't ramp when we do them thing there. One come like a veteran in that. Veteran in that. We just sort out everything. Veteran in that. You don't take out too much of that. One silk, I want it. Make pumpkin with it. we're going to put our next piece of pumpkin, people. And make the pumpkin. Now we have the pumpkin and I don't waste the pumpkin. See there. Sorry about that, people. Everything I drop. As I think that clean up same way, you see that? Clean up everything same way. You can't make the thing they pile up. Thing pile up, don't look too good. And clean up right away, you know? People love to see nice things. You don't like to see chocker. You don't love chocker. See that? They don't love chocker. They don't love chocker. We are clean. We are cook and clean. Whilst we are cook, we are clean. See there? Oh. See there? Wash me hand again, people. You see there? Behind the nastiness. Hand wash very frequently. Very frequently. Because food you are up with. You see the people? Food you are work with. You can't have nasty hand when you are dealing with food. Things are bubble, pot of bubble. See there? Pot of bubble. Alright. One more piece of pumpkin, me say. But at the meantime, put that over there, sir. Put that over there, sir. This and that. Over there, sir. Pure knife, me and this over there, so clean that one piece of pumpkin there again. More pumpkin, the better for me. See there? One thing tastes good, I want to put a little bit of pumpkin. Little bit of pumpkin now go very good. You need more pumpkin, I did. More pumpkin, better it tastes. It doesn't take long to cut out me now. It doesn't take long to sort out me, that's it there. Something you are doing now, it don't take long. It don't take long if you want it to take long.